You can't just work on marketing and sales. That is not a business. You have to really focus on staff and doctors and getting everyone on the same page. The playbooks are the start, and we're gonna keep iterating those playbooks, and we're gonna add more tools around those so you and the coaches can work together to be able to make sure that you get the right playbook and get the right plan of action in place. In the staff room, they worked on patient belief, their identity, how they can create better experiences in their practice. They worked on their purpose. They thought about, what is my purpose in this practice? Is it just answering phones or saying hi to patients or putting them on a laser or a shockwave? No, it's a lot bigger than that. Going back to Dr. Maggio's topic yesterday, customer success, when you get a new patient in your pipeline marketing, they come in your practice and get sold sales, they land on either a strong customer success platform or a weak one. And that lands on all the staff that integrate and implement all the processes and systems in your practice when a patient comes in. So I would lead to say that room is just as important as this room. You can't just work on marketing and sales. That is not a business. You have to really focus on staff and doctors and getting everyone on the same page. So Kansas City, we have an event in October in Kansas City. I expect everyone in this room to be in Kansas City. You've done a lot of work this weekend and gained a lot of momentum, and you just keep on with that momentum and get to Kansas City. We're gonna have to go a little deeper over time, and you're gonna look up a year later and you're gonna be a completely different practice.